Have a good day everyone, and today we will see how to create a rectangular and round column as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go rectangle, rec enter. First corner point, select dimensions 300, enter. 225, enter. Okay, click here. Circle, C, enter. Center point, radius 112.5, click here. Okay, offset or enter. Distance 20 millimeter, enter. Offset, exit. Select outer lines, change color to red. Okay, now go H, enter. Go H setting, scale 12, pattern concrete. Okay, layer, H layer, column H, associative click, annotative click. Select object, select circle, enter. Repeat H. Go settings, select object, select rectangle, enter. Okay, now go block, B, enter. Block name rectangular and round, R and R. Select object, enter. Pick point, click center. Block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, go parameters, base point, center point, linear, repeat linear. Select distance 1 and distance 2 parameters. Go properties, number of grips 1. Okay, exit. Select distance 1, go properties, rename W divide 2, enter. Distance 2, rename L divide 2, enter. Okay, go actions, scale, select parameter, select object, select, enter. Action, stretch, select parameter, point, stretch frame, select object, select, enter. Stretch, select parameter, point, stretch frame, select object, select, enter. Select stretch 1, go properties, angle 180, enter. Okay, action, stretch, select parameter, point, stretch frame, select object, select, enter. Action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, select, enter. Stretch 3, select, go properties, angle 180, enter. Okay, now go parameters, visibility point, action, more, select parameter point, select visibility, enter. Now go visibility status, rename rectangular, new, round. Okay, rectangular, select, set current. Okay, go visibility, select rectangular, make invisible, select circle, circle hatch, enter, visibility, select round, make invisible, select, select hatch, select parameter, enter, go visibility, select rectangular, select round. Okay, now save block, close block editor. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.